Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a starter on a 5.7 Hemi. First thing you need to do is unhook the battery. So we're going to get that battery unhooked right there. And this particular battery, those terminals are 13mm. We're going to get those unhooked, and then we'll get underneath the truck so we can get to this starter. Alright guys, now we got that battery unhooked. And like I said, that's 13mm. Now we're going to get underneath the truck and get to the starter. And on this 5.7 Hemi, the starter is located on the driver's side. And it's also one of those high torque starters. Like I said, they come on, you can get them on Dakotas and everything else, so you can save you some money if you're getting one from trying to get a high torque starter without going to a performance shop and paying the price for a high torque starter, because these are a high torque starter. We'll get underneath there and we'll show you. Alright guys, now we're underneath the truck here. Like I said, there it is right there. It's on a Hemi 5.7. There's the starter. And like I said, it's right here on the driver's side. One second, we'll reach right over and we'll get the bolts and we'll show you what size they are. Yeah guys, here's this high torque starter. Like I said, it's on a 5.7 Hemi. And those bolts, there's two bolts. As you can see, they're right there. One right there and one right there. And those are a 16mm bolt. And then you can pull the starter down and get to the wire that's located on the top back side right here on the other side. I hope y'all can see where my hand's at. It's up here on the front side, down right over here. It's just easier to pull the starter down so you can reach right up on top and get to it that way. So one second, we're going to undo both these bolts right here. We'll be right back with you. Alright guys, we got the bolts undone on this starter. Now we can drop it down right there. So it's just some two bolts. Now we can reach right up here. And well, somebody's worked on this before. We can obviously undo this zip tie that they put on here because they probably broke that tab, which is for the ignition switch. And then we can undo the hot wire right here on the side. One second, we'll get them off. Alright guys, we found out the problem here. They broke the plug right there, as you can see. And I bet if we go get this starter tested, I bet that's the problem with this starter. So I hope y'all found this video useful. If you did, please smash that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, go ahead and subscribe. Y'all have a great day.